Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today is going to be my first time trying out Glamnetic. Glamnetic was kind enough to reach out to me and ask me to make this video and sent me all of these products, and I am so pumped to try them. But of course, as always, my opinions are fully my own. I would never lie to you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the testing. So I picked out the products and I have quite a few options to choose from. So starting with the magnetic liner, I picked out two of them. I have the liquid one, and then I also have the felt tip. Then I have a ton of lash options. I have 6 different lash options. There's 4 of them. And then there's these 2. I will show you guys a closer up of those after we apply the liner. Here's what the liquid one looks like. The brush got a little messed up, but that's okay, we can fix it. So I think I'm gonna go felt tip today. Here's what the felt tip packaging looks like. Very thin tip, which is really nice. Okay, so there's the liner. That was super easy to use, very pigmented. And now I'm going to go do this one off camera, and I'll be right back to try on the lashes. So out of all the lashes, I think that my favorite ones are these Sweetheart ones, the demi lashes. They're so pretty. If you can see right here, this is the magnetic band, and then each packaging also comes with a magnetic band so that you can put them back on there so they don't lose their shape. They also sent me this little lash grab that you can use to apply them. Here we go. I'm so nervous but so excited. Wow, those are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's see. What? Okay, so like, are you seeing that? Is that real? Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to get this other one on. Now I'm going to show you guys the rest of these lashes. Glamnetic was also kind enough to give me a discount code. So if you use code SIMPLYEMMATATION, you can save 15% off, excluding bundles and new launches. I got this one in Pixie, which I believe are like kind of pink, I'm pretty sure. Then we have Lust, which are like huge. These are some big, bold lashes that I'm so excited to try. Then we have Livin'. These ones are probably my favorites of the full lashes because they have those little like clusters, and I love lash clusters. Then we have Love, which are also big and bold, and I feel like they're just like the more bold version of Livin', which is awesome. And last but not least, we have Luxe. I will link all of these down below for you guys. I think I'm gonna try on Livin' next. Now, if you'll see with these ones, they do come with anchors, which I'm gonna see if my camera can pick it up. The anchors are like separate magnets that you can use. I believe you're supposed to use them like under your natural lashes to like really hold the ends into place. Yeah, as you guys can see, hopefully, you want to take the anchors off because that's going to make them not stay down in the corners. Come on. The anchors have a little lash on them. That's really cool. I like that. I like that the anchors have a little lash on them. That way they're not just plain magnets. These are more like the kind that I think about with like, you can actually see the little magnets, whereas with the half lashes, you couldn't see the magnets. So I just trimmed off 2 magnets. You want to trim them off like at the magnet. That's so easy. It's so crazy to me how easy that is. These are much more natural, so I think I will try on a more dramatic pair. They're beautiful though. Like, this would be a perfect everyday lash. And you can wear these up to 60 times, which is super nice. I was wondering for a second why they made the lash grab metal, but then I dropped one of those little lash anchors and was able to just like doop, pick it up with this. So I get it now. It makes sense. Okay, so I have that one on. That, again, is Live-In. I am going to try on one more pair. I want to try on a more dramatic lash. Yeah, I mean, this is way simpler. Look at that. This is way simpler than using lash glue, and it's also a lot more affordable than if you were to, like, be getting lash extensions. It also says to apply 2 to 3 coats for max hold. So right now I just have one because I'm not really going anywhere today after this. I just got off work, so we're gonna try Love because these are dramatic. Okay, I think for this one, I think I'm gonna try out the anchor. It's definitely still a learning curve, and it's gonna take some time to really get it down. But overall, I feel like this definitely could be a lot easier to learn than like lash glue. And lash glue is messy and is damaging to your natural lashes, whereas this won't be damaging. We're going to attempt the lash anchor. Now that is a big dramatic lash and I live for it. Oh my gosh, this lash is everything. I know it looks kind of crazy right now just because I'm not wearing anything like, I'm not wearing any dramatic makeup. But imagine when I've got like dramatic eyeshadow on, this is going to be amazing. These are probably like the biggest ones that I have and I think they're literally my favorite now. Also, here is a close-up. Look at how cute these are. These are everything. So again, if you guys have never heard of Glamnetic, it's a female-owned brand. They do magnetic lashes and press-on nails, and they're pretty much just making beauty a lot easier for everybody. I mean, look, this is amazing, and I'm so excited, and I'm so thankful that they reached out to me. Thank you so much, Glamnetic, for reaching out. I love the lashes so much. I know I look insane, but I honestly cannot get enough of these lashes. Like, these lashes are everything to me, and I want them to be on my face all the time. I will have all the products linked down below, and don't forget to use code SimplyEmmatation for 15% off, excluding bundles and new launches. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. If you're thinking about trying Glamnetic, I would highly recommend, if you are struggling with lash glue, you need to try magnetic lashes because this could be a huge game changer for me. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!